Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Subscribe the channel to get more videos on UGC NET and SET exams. You'll also get classes on paper 1 and on English literature. Today I am going to talk about doubtful answers of some questions from WB SET 2021-22. The first question is from the poem Loving in Truth. The question asks which of the following comments best interprets Sydney's loving in truth. I think the correct option will be C. The theme of love is a facade for initiating a debate on poetic craft. And at the same time, option B is not a wrong one. But see, the question asks about the best interpretation of the poem, not only an explanation. If option B is correct, then it somehow ignores another major theme of the poem, that is the debate on poetic craft. So, the poem is a love poem, but simultaneously it also introduces a debate on poetic craft, especially at the very end of the poem. So according to me, the correct option will be C. The next question that I am going to discuss is from this poem. The question is that choose an example of an oxymoron from the following. The correct option should be option A, that is a deeper outside thing, not option D, that is open-ended, because an oxymoron is just a position of contradictory words. For example, darkness visible. So there is two words and they are contradictory to each other. Here in the phrase deeper outside thing, it includes two contradictory words. One is deeper and other is outside. A thing which is deeper cannot be an outside one. And open-ended is a single compound word. It is an adjective. So I don't think it will be an example of oxymoron. So option A will be probably the correct answer. Let's see what comes in the final answer keys. And if you want discussion on other doubtful questions, then mention it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.